welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Louise. I am Louise, your Independent Pampered Chef Consultant. On today's episode, I'm not going to be cooking anything at all. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about some essentials that you need in your kitchen this holiday season. These are some of the basic essentials that I feel everyone needs to have in their kitchen this holiday season. Starting with my favorite knife, and that is our forged Santoku knife. This knife is perfect for all your dicing, slicing, and mincing needs. Of course, if you're going to be using a knife, you're gonna need a good cutting board, and my go-to cutting board is typically our medium-sized cutting board. But during the holiday season, I feel you need something a little bit bigger, so I suggest our large grooved cutting board. As you can see, it has this groove on the one side that will hold any juices that you might have, and then this side is completely flat. It does have the silicone grip on the side that has the measurements on it as well. Now, my favorite product and a must-have any time of year is our manual food processor. I'm sure this holiday season you will be cutting up a lot of onions, celery, peppers, that kind of thing. And that's when the manual food processor comes in very handy. You're probably going to be needing a large roasting pan. This is our 10 by 16 enameled cast iron roasting pan. And as you can see, it is very nice and large and roomy. Perfect whether you're doing a turkey or a ham or a couple of roasts. Now, if you're cooking a turkey or a ham or a roast, you're gonna need a thermometer. This is our digital thermometer. And what I like about this is it has the probe right here, and it is digital, and it also has the beef, fish, and pork the temperatures that you're looking for. But this probe right here, you just plug this in to the side here, and then this goes in your meat, and then this will magnet to the outside of your oven. Super cool. It is, again, our digital thermometer and another must-have. So if you're cooking a turkey, you're gonna need to baste that sucker, right? So this is our brand new basting bottle and a brush. Here we go. Super handy, and again, an essential for the holidays. Now that you have your meat cooked, you're gonna wanna carve it up. So of course, we have you covered with our carving set. This comes in this beautiful box. It'll make a wonderful gift for anybody on your list. Comes with the fork and with a very lovely carving knife. And to make a beautiful presentation on your holiday table, may I suggest our beautiful wood cutting board. Again, this has the well on the one side to catch any of the juices, and it's flat on the other. So you can not only use this for a carving board, but this would make a great presentation for just about anything, and also a wonderful charcuterie board. Another essential, or I like to have, is our Cinnamon Plus, only available through December 31st. If you're anything like me, then this next product is something that you will definitely need. These are our insulated serving bowls. One of my biggest struggles with the holiday meal is trying to keep everything warm while I'm getting everything ready. These bowls will keep your food warm for up to 2 hours. One of my favorite features is that you don't have to worry about where you're going to put the lid, because as you can see, it hooks nice and neatly right on the rim. Now, the last product that I want to show you that I think is an essential part of any holiday meal and a festive night, that is our electric wine bottle opener. This is the foil cutter, and then all you do is press the button to open your bottle of wine. There you have it, a list of essentials for this holiday season. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you know the drill. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you'll be notified of any of my upcoming videos. Happy cooking!